So, a lot of people ask us about our personalized programs, and we want to give you an overview of this so you know more of how it all works. One of our main focuses is to optimize your metabolic landscape. And when we say metabolic landscape, we mean the kind of fuel your cells have to make energy, the biochemical conditions that your cells have to live in, and blocking certain metabolic pathways that cancer cells mostly depend on to survive. And most of this is controlled by diet and nutraceuticals. Now, this program will vary depending on you and your particular situation, and there are a lot of details, so we break it all down for you in a way that's very easy to follow. So let's start with your diet. We dial in your diet very precisely, much like we would do for an athlete, but in a different way. When you look at an example of our dietary programs, you see that it's very detailed, down to the amount of fat, protein, and carbohydrates at each meal. In most cases, we'll have you get your body composition analysis through what's called a BODPOD test. Then your diet is calculated based on this analysis so that you can feed your body only what it needs while minimizing the metabolic activities related to cancer. Now, the other half of the program is your supplementation schedule, which works synergistically with your dietary program. Remember, we're controlling your body's biochemistry, so both of these are very important parts of the equation. Now, each person's case is unique, and there's usually an overwhelming amount of supplements that can be beneficial. But most people have a budget, so we work with this and create a program that covers all of the important variables for your case. So once we've decided on a program, we lay it out for you very clearly, and you'll know exactly what to take, when, how much of each supplement you'll need per month, and how to take them so they don't interfere with each other. All of this is broken down into a daily schedule so you can pre-plan everything and do it right without getting overwhelmed. So these are the main aspects of our program, and it's very easy to follow. A lot of people come to us because they start researching and they end up more confused than when they first started. Some people come to us and end up realizing that what they were doing wasn't really the best way. But when you have a clear direction and everything is laid out for you, it's much easier to do what's necessary to achieve your goals. We designed our program this way so that it's very easy to follow. That way you can get started ASAP.